Alright, in this video we're going to cover how to install the 2JRacing front mount intercooler for the B17. It comes with all the clamps, couplers, hardware, everything you need to do the install. There's no cutting or anything you have to do except for in the crash bar you do have to do like small pilot holes for the self tappers, but other than that that's pretty much it. The way that we design the kit is the couplers go over the pipes at least an inch or more. That's to help prevent the couplers coming off, you know, under heavy load and stuff like that. So with that, I'll go ahead and start. Here we've got the charge pipe with the nuts and everything there. You reuse your stock gasket, and then on the 2J coupler you can see how far the coupler is onto the pipe, right? Of course you'll have your clamp there. I left that off to kind of show you where the pipes end. Same thing here, the pipe ends about right here. This is the coupler that you're going to use coming off the charge pipe. And you've got the long 45, 2.5 inch that comes down. Then you've got the 90 coupler, goes into the intercooler. This one, the pipe sits about right here. And then on this side, right, the same 90, pipe sits about right there. Okay, so you want to add your clamp somewhere at this point. Then you have the cold side crossover hose that mounts to the core support, right? You can reattach your sensor right there. Comes around, and then again you could see where the pipe terminates there. The hose comes around to the cold side pipe to the throttle body. Here it's maybe about, I'd say 3/4 of an inch, right? It attaches to the plenum there on the tab. Your map sensor, and then of course the coupler to the throttle body, and then the pipe terminates about right here. Okay, and then with the brackets, they're stainless steel, mount to the intercooler. Just make sure that you've got a centering mark on the crash bar, and then of course you also do a centering mark on the intercooler. Make sure that it's centered, and then you'll drill 2 small pilot holes for the mounting brackets, right? And then you'll install the self tappers. And I always recommend on the intercooler maybe using a little bit of blue Loctite, right? So that way it doesn't come loose with vibrations and things like that. But all in all, install, I'd peg it at about 60 minutes for an experienced person, maybe about 90 minutes if it's your first time. And like I said, no cutting or anything, just install and enjoy the gains that you're going to see from the much colder air coming into the engine. Thanks.